What? Who stink like a fish?
You.
No way. How do I stink like a fish?
Because I smell it from here.
Oh, you can smell it? You're one crazy girl.
I'm not.
Yeah, you are. Your name is Crazy. Yeah? No?
No.
Oh. So is that your like Celestia?
No, Twilight.
Oh, Twilight Sparkle? Cool. Did we catch any fish yet?
No.
You're supposed to say yes. You're supposed to tell everybody, wow, Dad, we caught a big fish. Say it. Say it so everybody believe you.
Not you.
I did. Well, we caught 2 ducks. I hope the ducky... Huh? Yeah? We're waiting for that dinner bell to ring, boo. It's not ringing. Huh.
Stop! I'll make a wash so water don't mess with it. Okay.
Are you a mermaid? You could be a mermaid.
No.
How come?
Move your leg.
Oh, there's a ladybug there, boo.
Where?
It's on your butt.
No, right there.
Oh. Well, you gotta help the ladybug.
No.
Why not? You're a bad girl if you don't help.
Well, I'm too tired.
Okay.
That's why I'm just sitting in the water.
Oh, yeah?
Doing nothing.
Doing nothing? All I see is a duck over there.